Hi everyone, welcome back to Tony Herbal Remedies. If you're looking for natural ways to reduce a fever quickly and effectively, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into powerful herbal remedies that can help you beat the fever naturally while supporting your overall well-being. First, let's talk about fever. Fever isn't an illness, it's actually your body's natural response to fight off infections. But when it gets too high, it can become uncomfortable and even dangerous. That's where natural remedies can provide relief while allowing your body to heal. Let's look at some of the best herbal remedies to reduce fever naturally. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and helps to promote sweating, which can reduce your body temperature. Combine fresh ginger with hot water, a squeeze of lemon, and a teaspoon of honey for a soothing tea. Peppermint has cooling properties that can help bring down a fever. Brew fresh peppermint leaves or a peppermint tea bag in hot water and sip it slowly. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is a powerful herb used in Ayurvedic medicine. It's known for its antimicrobial and fever-reducing properties. Boil a handful of Tulsi leaves in water, strain, and drink warm. Elderflower is a natural diaphoretic, meaning it promotes sweating to help reduce fever. Make an elderflower infusion by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried elderflowers in hot water for 10 minutes. Chamomile is another excellent choice. It's calming, reduces inflammation, and can help regulate body temperature. Drink a cup before bed to relax and recover. Remember, staying hydrated is key. Fever causes your body to lose fluids, so drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or electrolyte-rich drinks. Also, rest is crucial. Give your body the time it needs to fight off the underlying cause of the fever. While these remedies can help reduce mild to moderate fevers, it's important to know when to seek medical attention. If your fever exceeds 103 degrees Fahrenheit or 39.4 degrees Celsius, persists for more than 3 days, or if you experience other severe symptoms like difficulty breathing, confusion, or chest pain, consult a healthcare professional immediately. And there you have it, natural ways to reduce fever fast using herbal remedies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tony Herbal Remedies for more tips on natural healing. Let us know in the comments which remedy you'll try next time you or a loved one has a fever. Thanks for watching and take care.